Racebird. This isn't just any boat, it's an all-electric, single-pilot foiling boat that will soon be racing in the E1 World Electric Powerboat Series. The Racebird is capable of reaching speeds of up to 50 knots, providing pilots with the opportunity to demonstrate their skills using tight and technical circuits located close to shore in the heart of urban areas. The full-size prototype of the Racebird was unveiled in Monaco in September 2021. The Racebird has enough instant torque and acceleration to quickly lift onto its foils and glide above the water at higher speeds. This first flight in northern Italy kicks off several weeks of straight-line tests, qualifying runs, and race simulations focused on performance analysis and data collection. The E1 World Electric Powerboat Series is a championship racing series created specifically for electric boats. Scania S730 Minitruck. This isn't just any truck. It's a miniature, electric-powered, scaled-down version of the Scania S730 truck. This child-friendly, ride-on version has proved to be an instant hit on social media. The Minitruck was designed by Wayne Auchmuty, an Irish truck enthusiast and design engineer. His childhood memories of doing his homework in his father's Scania trucks led him to design this scaled-down S730. The truck is being made to order, but these miniature marvels are not cheap. A fully finished, spray-painted Scania model will retail at more than €3,000. The Minitruck has a 24-volt electric battery power that gives 4.5 hours of operation per charge, plus a torque that's equivalent to a mobility scooter. It's been 3 years of late nights trying to get it right, but they're happy with how it turned out. Now, mini trailers, tankers, and even T-cabs are in their thoughts, subject to Scania approval. Turtle Rover. This isn't just any robot, it's an open-source, waterproof robot designed for makers to build on. The Turtle Rover is often referred to as the world's first land drone designed by Mars rover engineers. This versatile robot is designed to explore caves, water reservoirs, and ruins. It's equipped with a remote-controlled robotic arm and is rugged enough to tackle harsh conditions here on Earth. With up to 4 hours of continuous driving capability and a Wi-Fi range of up to 220 yards, the Turtle Rover is quite impressive. But what sets the Turtle Rover apart is its customizability. It allows equipment to be mounted on it and gives users the freedom to add extensions as needed. This makes it a robust, open-source platform on which makers, product designers, and creatives can build the robot of their dreams. The innovative Shane, a two-wheeled electric vehicle concept. This groundbreaking invention comes from the mind of Shane Chen, the creator of the original hoverboard. Shane is not just any electric vehicle. It's the first parallel two-wheeled electric car designed for everyday driving. Despite its compact size, it can comfortably accommodate 5 adults. What sets Shane apart is its auto-adjusting wheels that keep the car perfectly balanced, making it as stable and safe as a 4-wheeled vehicle. It also features 2-wheel differential speed control for easy parking and maneuvering. Plus, its large wheels minimize rolling resistance and include regenerative shocks to convert damping into energy, thereby charging the battery. Currently, Shane Chun is seeking partners to bring this concept to life. The Arosno E-Trace. This isn't just any e-bike. It's the world's first e-snow bike. Designed by French entrepreneurs Romain Faure and Agathe Lebaron, the E-Trace is a recumbent electric assist tricycle that combines the features of a bike and a snowmobile. Instead of wheels, it has 2 steerable polyethylene skis in front and a Camso snowmobile-style rubber track in the back. The E-Trace is designed for fun, playfulness, and safety. It's pedal-powered but does have additional electric support. With a maximum autonomy of 45 kilometers and a powerful assistance up to 25 kilometers per hour, the E-Trace is quite impressive. It's quiet, environmentally friendly, and operates on all types of snow. So, if you're looking for a unique and fun way to enjoy the snow, the Arosno E-Trace might just be what you're looking for. The Daymak Spiritus. This three-wheeled marvel is part of the Avenir series and is set to redefine everyday travel. The Spiritus is a two-seater electric car packed with features like Wi-Fi connectivity, AC, a 12-speaker stereo system, and solar panels for additional charging. It boasts a super-fast charging time of under 2 hours and a range of up to 300 miles. The Spiritus comes in two versions, the Deluxe and the Ultimate. The Deluxe is a utility commuter vehicle that delivers on speed and style, while the Ultimate offers a performance of 449 HP and can go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 1.8 seconds. With deliveries expected to start in 2024, the Spiritus is set to revolutionize the way we travel. Airbus and their exciting journey towards sustainable aviation. They're developing a hydrogen plane set to take flight mid-decade. Airbus is also working on Zero, aiming to bring the world's first hydrogen-powered commercial aircraft to market by 2035. This marks a major step forward in sustainable aviation. The fascinating world of human-powered vehicles with Aerovelo's Ada. This remarkable vehicle holds the record for being the fastest human-powered vehicle in the world, surpassing the previous level ground speed record of 83.1 miles per hour and setting a new record of 89.59 miles per hour. Named after the Greek letter Eta, which denotes efficiency in engineering, this vehicle boasts an equivalent highway fuel efficiency of 9,544 mpg, making it 100 times more efficient than the most efficient electric cars. The Ada is a testament to the pursuit of ultimate efficiency and a shining example of lightweight, efficient design. The first bicycles with big front wheels, often referred to as penny farthings. These unique bicycles featured a very large front wheel that housed the seat and set of pedals, and a smaller rear wheel for stabilization. The penny farthing was invented by British engineer James Starley. Despite their unusual design, these bikes had many advantages. They were faster than other bicycles of their time and provided a smoother ride over rough surfaces. However, they also had their drawbacks. They were quite dangerous in case of a fall, and mounting and dismounting on them was problematic. Despite these risks, their ability for easier travel over rough terrain made them very popular in urban environments. They were mostly driven by men who had enough money for such an extravagant form of transport. The penny farthing became a symbol of the late Victorian era, and its popularity also coincided with the birth of cycling as a sport. The Zeva Zero. This isn't just any aircraft, it's a one-person, disc-shaped electric vertical takeoff and landing (eVTOL) aircraft. The Zeva Zero is designed by Zeva Zero, a company focused on creating sustainable and efficient air transportation solutions. This unique aircraft can fly at a speed of 160 miles per hour and then fit into a conventional car parking space. The aircraft can be manually flown or flown by remote control. In the future, the company plans for the aircraft to have an autonomous option. Zeva Zero is also taking orders now for Argon, another eVTOL vehicle. Argon utilizes advanced aerodynamic and propulsion technology to enable vertical takeoff and landing, as well as efficient horizontal flight. So, Zeva Zero is making significant strides in the development of eVTOL aircraft, marking a major step forward in the pursuit of sustainable and efficient air transportation. Monowheels. Imagine a vehicle that's not a bike, not a unicycle, but something entirely different. A monowheel is a one-wheeled, single-track vehicle where the rider sits inside the wheel. These unique vehicles have been around since the late 19th century, with early versions being hand-cranked or pedal-powered. Fast forward to the 21st century, and most monowheels you'll see today are motorized. In fact, the world speed record for a motorized monowheel was set in 2016 at an impressive 61.18 miles per hour. Despite their speed, monowheels are known for their stability in the direction of travel, although they do have limited horizontal stability. Over the years, inventors have tried various methods to enhance stability, from support struts and skids to gyroscopes and rudders. And when it comes to stopping, many riders control stability just like on a bicycle or motorcycle by putting their feet on the ground. Monowheels have seen many variations and proposed uses over the years, from horse-drawn versions to even a monowheel tank. One notable example is the electric monowheel called Dynasphere, which was tested in the UK in 1932. And let's not forget American inventor Kerry McLean, who built over 25 different variations of monowheels, including a V8 powered model. So that's a quick look at the intriguing world of monowheels. The Kwiggle folding bike. This isn't your average folding bike. In fact, it's known as the most compact folding bike in the world. Designed and manufactured in Germany, the Kwiggle folds down to a hand luggage size of 554,025 centimeters, making it perfect for those on the go. Despite its compact size, don't underestimate its speed. The Kwiggle can easily reach speeds of 25 kilometers per hour and is surprisingly stable. Weighing in at only 10 kilograms, it's super light and suitable for a wide range of body heights. The Kwiggle is built to last, using the world's most stable V4A stainless steel. It's available in different models, including 1-speed, 3-speed, and 6-speed versions. The 6-speed model even features a Schlumpf speed drive gearbox for low loss and long-distance suitability. But what sets the Kwiggle apart is the unique upright riding experience it offers, which is considered physiologically superior to normal bicycling. So, if you're in the market for a folding bike that's compact, fast, and offers a unique riding experience, the Kwiggle folding bike might just be what you're looking for. Leaperkim, also known as Guangzhou Veteran Intelligent Technology Company Limited, Leaperkim has already made a name for itself as a top electric unicycle (EUC) brand despite being a relatively new entrant to the e-mobility industry. Their first-class, high-performing electric unicycles are a benchmark for safety, reliability, and performance. One of their notable products is the Veteran Patent Electric Unicycle. It's an extreme performance 7 kW max electric unicycle engineered to provide the ultimate one-wheel all-terrain experience. This durable, heavyweight performance package allows the boldest of EUC riders to reach a top speed of 50 miles per hour and easily traverse steep hills without hesitation. Leaperkim's products are designed by a team of experienced veterans in the EUC world. They combine their experience of building EUCs to bring their products into existence. So, if you're into electric unicycles and looking for a reliable and high-performing ride, Leaperkim might just be what you're looking for. The ZUUM Shoes. These aren't just any shoes, they're self-balancing electric skates that you can ride around with ease. You might have seen them featured on the TV show Shark Tank. These shoes are designed for both kids and adults. They are lightweight, weighing only 7 pounds, and are portable. The shoes slip on and have a power button for easy control. They are powered by twin 350-watt motors. ZUUM shoes can be ridden continuously for up to an hour and a half on one charge. You just lean forward to move forward and lean backwards to go backward. They are based in Portland, Oregon, and are designed to reduce carbon emissions and the use of fossil fuels. ZUUM shoes are available for purchase online. They are priced at $500 and worldwide shipping is available. So, if you're looking for a fun and eco-friendly way to get around, the ZUUM shoes might just be what you're looking for.